What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Start this RT up, man. Start this RT, man. Do y'all still let y'all cars warm up? You know, back in the day, you had to let your car warm up before you before you pull off. I used to do that, but then they said that it really don't matter. What y'all think, man? Y'all still warm y'all cars up? Sometimes I warm this joint up only because getting up there at mileage. So sometimes I let this junk run. Depends on if it's like real cold or something outside. But in the summertime, I just get in this junk and go, man. But anyway, right now, guys, I'm about to go and I'm about to wash this car, man. Get this car cleaned up. It's supposed to be nice this weekend, so I turn this camera on once I'm done washing the car, man. So let's go. All right, guys. So I clean this joint up, man. Got it shined up for the weekend. Like I always say, man, every time I clean this car up, bro, it make me think twice about selling it, man. If I decide to keep this joint, I would wrap it, but I'm just not the one for having all these different colors on my car, man. I just like for my car to be slick, you know what I'm saying? Just kind of settle, little accents here and there. I mean, hey, everybody like what they like. I'm not knocking people for doing what they do, but just telling y'all what I like to do with my cars. I just like to keep them slick, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes I think that's what hinders me on YouTube. I like the little light thing, and I may do that, but I know everybody do what they do. I ain't hating on nobody. Now, I've seen some Scat Packs that's wrapped that look slick. The ones that the color matches, you know, it's not a whole bunch of different stuff all over the car. The ones that just got the settled look to them, those are the ones I like, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's probably how I would do my car if I wrap it. I'm not gonna have a whole bunch of different colors and all this crazy stuff going on. But you know, to each his own. It's all good. I mean, some people like it, some people don't. There's no right or wrong, there's no hate. But for me, man, I just like my cars to be settled. And I think, like I said, sometimes I think that hinders me on YouTube. But at the end of the day, man, I can't do nothing but be me. Everybody like what they like. I know some people like to wrap their cars and have a lot of different colors going on. I don't really like that. That's just not my thing, but it works for other people. Because I know a lot of people keep sending me messages saying, well, I don't do this like this and do that. I'm my own person, I do me. Everybody got their own preference. Everybody do what they do with their cars. But me, I just like my cars to be settled. I would definitely be doing some different things, whether I get a 392 or a Hellcat. I'm gonna definitely switch it up a little bit for the purpose of YouTube. I'm gonna step it up. I'm gonna try to get in the game, man, and change this thing up a little bit. But I just want to show y'all the car, man, cleaned up like I always do. But it's hot out this joint, bro, so I gotta get back in the daggone car. Man, put my seatbelt on. But yeah, man, I noticed that you know, that's what people want to see on YouTube, man. They want to see the different raps and different stuff, and I'm with that. I just don't like when it's just too much. I understand that's how it works on YouTube, man. You gotta just go with the flow, do you? But I definitely appreciate y'all, man, for, you know, subscribing to the channel, supporting your boy, because I'm grinding, man. I'm trying to get this thing on and popping, bro. I'm about to step way up. I know there's other people in DC doing their thing too, and I'm trying to link up with them. Like my boy Grizzly, Marty, Monterey, Hemi. It's a lot of people, SRT Boom. There's a lot of people in, you know, in DC that's doing YouTube. So I'm about to try to start getting with them folks, man. We're gonna try to put on for the city, man, because it's time. Especially once this corona stuff is over with. They come out with this vaccine, all the car meets and stuff start up. And it'll probably be next year, because this year's pretty much over. All the car stuff is pretty much done. So like I say, by next year I have my Hellcat. Everything will be different. You know what I'm saying? So we on our way up, believe that.
Later that same evening.
Guys, I don't know what's going on with my car, man, but it sounds like my transmission or something is knocking, bro. I don't know if it's my motor or what's going on, but I don't know if y'all can hear it. You can hear it real good when I slow down. That's what makes me think it's my transmission. This is a blower right here, bro. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear that, bro. You hear that? That's crazy, man. I'm about to pull over in a second, man, see what's going on. I'm on my way back from Chick-fil-A, man. I'm trying to get my peoples their food before I pull over, but man, this joint just came out of nowhere. At first I thought it was the car in front of me, but it's my joint. And I definitely think it's my transmission. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That's all I need, bro. I'm about to pull over right now and see if I can. This is a blower right here, man. I know y'all can hear that. That's why I said I should have got rid of this car a long time ago, bro. That's why I'm leasing these cars from now on. I'm not financing these joints, bro. If something go wrong, I need to take this joint back to the dealership, man. I ain't ready to be putting out no money. That joint sounds terrible, man. It ain't time for an oil change. I mean, I know my oil change is coming up, but the light ain't on. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what my oil percentage is. 15%. Yeah, that ain't, that ain't great, but I mean, it ain't out of oil. Last thing I need, guys, I'm telling you. I think I'm probably about to take this joint up to, about to drop this food off and take this car to the dealership, man. This joint sound terrible, man. It sound like the motor, for real, for real. I don't hear nothing when she start the car up, but I want y'all to listen to this joint when she's driving. I don't know, maybe it's the exhaust. I don't know. See, I don't hear it now. Can't hear it on the outside. I don't know if it's the exhaust or what. I don't hear it. Alright guys, now y'all hear that noise, right? I know I ain't tripping. Let me put my seatbelt on. Like I don't hear it at high speeds. Now I hear it. I can't tell if it's the tire, the cylinders in my motor. I don't know what it is, bro. Like I said, you can't hear it from the outside, but I can hear it from the inside. So that let me know there's something going on with the I think with the engine, man. I'm about to pop the hood. I don't know what it is, man. I called the dealership. They talking about $225 for a diagnosis. They crazy, bro. I'm just gonna go to my man who look at my cars and let him check it out, man. I don't know what the dealership tripping, bro. I just called them just to see what they was gonna say. I knew they was gonna say something ridiculous. So y'all hear that? Pull over here and pop the hood. Like I said, man, I can't even hear the junk when it's on. I mean, you can hear it now, but at first you couldn't even hear it when I was driving. I mean, it sounds, I don't know, man. Maybe this joint is getting, and I know my engine dirty as hell. That might have something to do with it, maybe not, I don't know. It could be that this damn car just getting old, man. Maybe it's a belt. I don't know. I don't see nothing, man. I can't hear nothing that's like unusual. I got the air on. Let me just take that air off. The air might be making it. Turn the air conditioner on. See if that make a difference. Nope. Still sound the same. So I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on with this car, man. I don't know if it's something with the wheels. But with the holiday weekend, I can't take it in nowhere until probably Tuesday. But right now, man, I really don't know what it is, bro. Like I said, just sitting here idling, man. That joint ain't making no noise, so just sound regular to me. Even when I gave it gas, it wasn't making no noise. So I'm gonna put the camera right here and I'm gonna give it some gas and see if I can hear anything. Y'all let me know if y'all hear something. See, sound normal to me, man. I don't hear nothing, bro. Let's see, I don't see nothing sticking out of the tire like I ran over anything. And I've been checking the tires the whole time. I don't see nothing, bro. Hey guys, well, what I'm gonna do is, man, like I said, I'm just gonna take it in and let them, you know, see what they tell me. Try not to drive it too much over the weekend until I can find out what that noise is. Maybe, might not be, I don't know what it could be. I'm completely lost. So, if you know anything, if you ever went through this, leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think it is. And if this is your first time joining my channel, hit the like button, subscribe. It's even more of a reason to get rid of this joint, bro. I ain't with all this. I hate being without my car. So I'm just gonna end the video right here, man. See y'all on the next piece.